Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials: device model, Android version, and the FX File Explorer version so you know which APIs apply. Next, open Settings, navigate to Apps, find FX File Explorer, and enable Storage and Files permissions. This is the fastest fix. If the device runs Android 11 or newer, make sure to enable Manage All Files Access or choose the app's Documented Scoped Storage option. Once done, relaunch FX to test whether access denial persists. Now move into FX's internal settings to verify storage visibility and mount points. Open FX Settings right arrow Storage and make sure internal, SD, and OTG entries are enabled. Grant media or photos/videos access when Android limits file types under scoped storage so the app can index content. If an SD card or USB drive appears inaccessible, go to Android settings and remount the external storage or unmount and mount it again. Finish with advanced steps. Clear FX cache and app data or reinstall the app to reset any corrupted permission state. If you're comfortable, use ADB shell or a terminal emulator to check file and folder ownership and permission bits. Incorrect owners or zero permissions cause access denied errors. If problems persist, reboot the device, test access with another file manager to isolate FX-specific issues, and consider undoing recent OS updates or third-party security apps that might block storage access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.